Hi netizens, a very quick one. Circle theorem. Find the value of x. This is where the x is located. That is where the x is marked. So all I need to do here is to apply the necessary rules binding circle theorem. If that is being done, I'll be able to know the value of x in the context. If you take a good look at this circle, you discover that this line passes through the center. By passing through the center, we can obtain a triangle as well as a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral has to do with what? A four-sided polygon. From the subtended line down to here, you observe that what we have here becomes what? Angles in a semicircle. What I'll quickly do, I'll say DBC is going to be what? 90 degrees. Reason, it is what? Angles in a semicircle. So I'll say DBC is equal to 90 degrees. So if that is being done, I've obtained here to be my 90 degrees. Then what is left is to get the value of this. Then we subtract the values from what? 180 degrees. Then we get the value of x. How did we get the 180 degrees? That is angles in a triangle. And another aspect of this circle theorem rule you need to recall is we are having quadrilateral. We're having a quadrilateral here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are told that opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilaterals are what? Added up to 180 degrees. So where is the opposite side of this quadrilateral? It is right here. So I'm going to say 180 degrees minus 145 degrees, which is equal to what? 35 degrees. Reason, opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. To get the value of x, I will need to add 35 to 90, then take it away from what? 180 degrees. Then the value of x is what? Obtained. But we can express this in mathematical form by saying DBC, which is the value here, plus BDC plus what else? BCD will be equal to 180 degrees. The reason is what? We are having angles in a triangle. What is the value of DBC? Remember, our DBC is what? 90 degrees. Then plus BDC, which is this x. Then plus BCD. C here is already 35 degrees, which will be equated to 180 degrees. By the time we add 90 to 35, we get what? 125. So x plus 125 degrees will be equal to 180 degrees. Now let me make use of this space. Then I'll have to subtract 125 degrees from both sides. X will be equal to 180 degrees minus 125 degrees. 180 minus 125 will be 180 minus 120 is 60. 60 minus 5, 55. So our X is what? 55 degrees. That becomes our final answer. Bye-bye.